Nancy here. Today we're going to be looking at baseball ribbon. Baseball season is back, so let's get started. Alright, how about some Red Sox? The Boston Red Sox. This is a 7/8. Let me double check just to make sure. Yes, it is a 7/8 ribbon. It's got the Boston Red Sox logo, with the big B on it. Great for hair bows or whatever. You know what? You could do key fobs, dog collars. Here's some Baltimore Orioles. This is also a 7/8 pattern. Nice orange with the Orioles mascot there. And again, this is a 7/8 pattern. I'll have to get some key fobs out to show you what you can make with these. The Kansas City Royals. You got the KC emblem, the name, and the border is, it looks like it might be like a zebra. I'm not really, I can't really tell what it is, but it's a gold. It's a gold, just like in here, the crown. And this is a 7/8 pattern. Pretty blues. I wanted to show you something. I mentioned a key fob. Now, I have these in my shop, but I don't have a baseball one. But here's a football one, just to give you an idea of. This is a 1-inch webbing with this 7/8 inch ribbon on it, and you can make use of key fobs. And I mentioned the dog collar, and I don't have a baseball one on that either, but I do have this one, the Georgia Bulldogs, Georgia whatever, college team. So this is the collar, and this is 1 inch, made with the 7/8 inch ribbon. Okay, so, and I will be showing some collegiate ribbons at some point. Okay, all right, let's get back to it. About the Los Angeles Dodgers. Now this is a neat pattern. This has got, it's got the field with the spectators. You got the batter here and the catcher and someone sliding into base. And then it says LA Dodgers. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. And it's got red and blue for the border. You got red there, and then the blue for the border. Okay. Let's see, we've got the Braves, the Atlanta Braves. My mother is a huge baseball fan. Huge, and she's so glad that they're back. The Atlanta Braves. And on the border, it's got the A's going across the border there. It's got the big A, and it says Atlanta Braves on it. And you got the tomahawk. 7/8. That's San Francisco Giants. My husband is a San Francisco fan. It's got the big Giants with the baseball, the orange border, the white background. And you can, if you can't find, if you can't find these ribbons in my shop, just message me below and I can make you a custom listing. Now these are inspired by ribbons. These are not licensed ribbons. I do not claim to sell licensed anything. These are all inspired by. We got the Los Angeles Angels, or the Anaheim Angels, whatever you want to call them. The big A with its wings. It's got the, it says angels here, and then light in the light background. It's faded with the angels. And it's got a red and blue border. And this is also a 7/8 pattern. My mom's team is the Cubbies. And my sister. Isn't that cute? It's got the little cubby bear in there inside the C. It says Cubs. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. And I also have another cub in this one with the bear holding his bat. The Cubs bear. It's got his, he's holding his, got his, leaning on his bat, and he's got his ball right there. The Cubs logo. And these are both a 7/8 inch pattern. Alright, let's see. I've got another Dodgers here. This one. This one says, Dodger girls wear bows and bling. Cute. It's a 7/8 inch. Blue border. Very nice. Make a cute hair bow for a little girl. And you got the LA, and it's kind of like a, like an ombre. You got the white with stars in the back and the blue border. Okay, Washington Nationals. Washington Nationals. And it's just the logo with the white background. And it's a 7/8. Kansas City Royals, another one. Some nice colors. Big KC, big Royals. This is a 7/8. What do we got here? We have the St. Louis Cardinals. Simple pattern. You got the big cardinal head and then the small cardinal on his bat with the Cardinals name. And let's see. I also, and if you want anything made with these, just message me. Let me know. A smaller logo inside the baseball border. And this is a 7/8. Okay. And there's a link to my shop below. And anything else, you can just message me. The Yankees. Now I also have the Yankees. I do have in a 5/8. Let me grab that real quick. 5/8 in the Yankees. Where's the 5/8? Okay, all right. 5/8 in that. That's Chicago White Sox. Whoops, sorry. The Chicago White Sox. It's your baseballs with the Sox logo in the middle. With a the background is a chevron, black and white stripe chevron. This is a 7/8. Cincinnati Reds. I love that guy throwing that fast pitch, running for the bases. Nice red background. This is a 7/8 pattern. Now I have a couple of accent pieces. Just some baseballs. Let's see, there's one, two, just two patterns, two different patterns. And this is a, this is also a 7/8 inch. And I have this one here. It's a multi-pattern. And you've got, let's see, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 different designs on this one before it starts to repeat itself. So these would be kind of cute together, like that, huh? Alright, y'all, that's it for me today. Hope you enjoyed your time here. And please, if you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and hit the thumbs up, the like button that you liked it. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.